As an executive myself, I know it's critical to have actionable insights at your fingertips. You need clear, easy dashboards and summaries so you can work with your teams to make quick business decisions, never missing out on opportunities. Every employee needs to know exactly what to do when you request a report or a result. You need 100% confidence in the accuracy of those numbers, reports, and results. And so your teams need to have the same consistent skill level all the way through so that they can collaborate effectively together and everyone's on the same page with how to read and interpret results. Your team needs to have high morale. You want them focusing on impactful things every day, not spending time trying to figure out how Excel works. But additionally, those impactful things that they're doing, they will lose motivation if they don't feel that they can properly communicate the level of impact because they can't track it, they don't know how to report on it. So, give me just 2 minutes of your time and I want to show you 2 different ways I can help get your teams here so that they can report actionable insights. First up is the Excel Survival course. I designed this course as a Microsoft MVP, working as a business intelligence analyst all the way through executive management as a chief operating officer. These Excel skills are what employees need in order to report actionable findings and insights. So how this works is you will watch the welcome video, download the workbook, follow the videos, and then do the activities all the way through. At the very end, you will see after you go through the videos and supplemental reading that there is a final quiz that you need to pass in order to get the certificate. Once the employee passes that, they are able to send that over to you. And the best part is that they download the workbook and they have that forever, regardless if you cancel subscription. But if you keep the subscription, they still have access to the monthly webinars, and they're able to join the community and participate in making webinar suggestions, ask for some help. They can network with others. So it's really a great comprehensive experience. Next up, let's talk about the Xpert course. This is my favorite. And the reason for this is as you scroll down the left here, you'll notice that there are over 200 really cool, fancy things that Excel can do. But not just that, it also covers beginners. So if you've got a beginning employee, you're covered with this course because there's a 90-minute video here that walks through all of the foundational items in Excel. It's just a little bit faster paced than the previous course. And then the whole rest of this are all the cool things for intermediate to advanced. And so this is really the complete package. And you'll notice that these are all numbered. These numbers correspond over here to the workbook. So once you download your workbook and open it, you've got it forever. And it will function as an Excel cheat sheet. You can make notes to it. You can reference back to it whenever you need to, because let's face it, a lot of these Excel things are hard to remember. And so what you can do is go through here. You can click on a lesson, and then you can hit return to get started, and it matches up with the videos. And when you're done with it, you can mark it off, or like I said, you can leave this to function as a cheat sheet. Now, the cool thing about this package is that it is a subscription model. And so as a Microsoft MVP, I am always getting access to the latest, newest things in Excel. And so I'm always updating this workbook. And so you're always going to have new templates, new videos coming, and things like that as Excel evolves. And in addition to that, you have access to the community as well as those monthly webinars. So it's really the overall comprehensive package to making sure that employees are always up to date and learning new cool things and being relevant and knowing how to report on actionable insights. So I'm really looking forward to seeing you and your employees in course. Let's go. This is something I really think you need to know about, and it's the Excel proficiency test. As executive management, I've hired a ton of people, and trying to evaluate Excel skills has been misery. And then it's usually never as good as people say it is. So here is the solution. 2 options in this test. You can do one or both. And you've got an Excel multiple choice quiz. These are 30 questions that someone who's proficient and regularly using Excel will be able to pass. And you can stop there. That's easy. The system grades it for you. Or you can flip over and download the workbook and the answer key and have them actually apply these skills for you. And so what we're trying to do here is look at a variety of different things, from formatting to lookups and a pivot table. If they can do these things, they are a certain level of proficiency based on the scoring that is assigned here. So what you do is you have them fill this out, and then you take your answer key that's given in the course as well, and then you match those up based on the images and answers given. And you figure out how proficient they are. And you can make the choice. You either not hire them because they're not proficient enough, or this is a prime opportunity to enroll them in an Excel survival course so that they can become proficient. And then you've got that entire team that you know has the same level of skill sets. So if you have any questions, I'm happy to answer them. And I'm also happy to do a free demo for you to explain this a little bit further and how it works. So if you need to, contact me or go ahead and sign up.